Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. You're seeing AI take over the internet. It's writing books, making music, building websites, closing deals, and even editing videos faster than any human ever could. But here's the real question. Are you using it to make money? Or are you just watching others cash in while you scroll endlessly through Reels and TikToks? Because if you're not riding this wave right now, you're going to miss out on the biggest business cheat code of this decade. Let me break it down like I'm explaining it to my little cousin. AI automation is when you train a system to do tasks for you, on autopilot. You give it a command, a little input, and boom, it completes the job, handles the workflow, and frees you up. Now imagine doing that with dozens of tasks that you'd normally pay someone else to do. Or worse, tasks that waste your energy and time every single day. That's the game changer. But here's the wild part. Most people think you need to be a tech nerd or software engineer to start. False. You just need the right tools, a strategy, and the hunger to win. Let's say you want to start a social media agency from scratch. No team. No money. Just your laptop. With AI, you can have ChatGPT write all your captions, Notion AI handle your client planning, Canva AI design your graphics, and tools like Opus Clip or Pictory chop up long videos into viral short-form content. Suddenly, you're running a full-blown agency without hiring anyone. That's AI automation at work. You set it once, plug in the prompts, and your business is running while you're on the beach. Or in bed. Or flying first class to Bali. All facts. Now let's talk money. Because that's why we're here. AI tools can earn you cash in more ways than you think. First, content creation. You can literally sell YouTube scripts, TikTok captions, or blog posts written by ChatGPT. There are people on Fiverr and Upwork charging $100 to $500 for scripts that take them 10 minutes to generate. Add a bit of editing and personality, and boom, you're a freelance AI content creator. Second, digital products. Ever wanted to sell an ebook, a course, a lead magnet, or a preset? Use AI to create it all. Write the content, design the layout, automate the email delivery, and link your PayPal. You've just built a passive income machine while sipping iced coffee. Now here's a juicy one, AI chatbots. Businesses pay a fortune for customer support, and most of them suck at it. Build a custom AI chatbot for a niche business, like real estate or local salons. Train it with their FAQs, services, pricing, and plug it into their website. You've now replaced their receptionist with a 24/7 bot that never complains, never takes a day off, and always sounds polite. That's a sellable service. Clients will pay you monthly just to keep that bot live. Now multiply that across 10 clients. You've built SaaS without coding a single line. But maybe you're a creative. Good. You're about to be unstoppable. MidJourney and DALL-E can generate art, merch designs, book covers, album artwork, or even ads. You can create a full brand kit and sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or even Shopify. Combine that with AI-powered email marketing like MailerLite or Systeme.io, and now your store is running automated promotions to leads while you sleep. Money is printing while your phone's on airplane mode. No cap. You know what the best part of AI automation is? You don't need to start big. You just need to start now. Find one thing that sucks up your time, writing emails, creating posts, editing photos, and automate it. Then, offer that as a service. Package it up. Productize it. Sell it. You'll be shocked how many people out there want to pay for the thing you just automated in 15 minutes. I've seen kids, literally 16-year-olds, making thousands offering AI resumes, AI-generated business names, or social media audits powered by AI. No degree. No suit. Just smart moves and the right tools. Because right now, the value is not in working harder. It's in automating smarter. AI is the modern-day assistant, but it doesn't complain, it doesn't ask for a raise, and it's loyal to your hustle. Still don't believe me? Let me show you something real. I built an entire online funnel using nothing but AI tools. ChatGPT wrote the copy. Canva AI designed the landing page. MailerLite sent the emails. Stripe handled the payments. I didn't code a single thing. And I woke up to payment confirmations while I was in another city shooting content. That's the beauty of AI automation, it scales without you scaling your hours. And here's a hot secret most gurus won't tell you: the money in AI isn't just in using it. It's in teaching it. You can literally make cash by teaching others how to use these tools. Make a mini course. Start a coaching call. Sell templates. People will pay to skip the trial and error you've already figured out. There's money in the learning curve, especially in 2025 when AI tools are exploding daily. Now let's talk trending. AI is going viral. Hashtag AI business, hashtag AI revolution, and hashtag automation hacks are trending hard on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. If you build a brand around AI business tips, people will flock to you. Especially if you keep it simple and real. Like I'm doing right now. You don't need a mic setup or green screen. Just your phone, your face, and a clear message. I use AI to make money. Want to learn how? Now I won't lie to you. I can't do everything. You still need vision, taste, discipline, and goals. But it's the ultimate sidekick. If you treat it like a full-time intern and tell it exactly what to do, it'll handle more than half your work. Just don't fall into the trap of consuming AI content all day without building. Tools are only powerful when used. So use them. Build with them. Stack your cash with them. Then free your time with them. So here's your challenge. Pick one AI tool today. 1. ChatGPT, MidJourney, Notion AI, Descript, whatever feels right. Learn it, apply it to a real task in your business or side hustle, and turn that into a service or product. Once you do that, rinse and repeat. That's the AI loop. That's the automation formula. That's the wealth stack. It's not magic. It's method. You don't need connections. You don't need funding. You don't need experience. You just need curiosity and courage to try something new. The people making six figures right now using AI are not the smartest, they're the fastest. Be fast. Start now. Don't overthink it. Because in 6 months, you'll either be building the next AI-powered empire, or watching someone else your age do it while you're stuck wondering what if. So if you want me to break down exactly what tools I use, the prompts that actually work, and the money-making templates I've built with AI, drop a comment and let me know. And if you want done-for-you AI setups that make you money from day one, let's talk. I'm building those too. This is your freedom season. Don't waste it. Automate it.